In Pakistan, 32 people died and 2,843 tested positive cases of COVID-19 during the last 24 hours. Leaders of Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation call for the help global economy better by pandemic. At least 37 people killed in Uganda protest after presidential candidate warrants arrest. The United States has expressed pleasure over Prime Minister Imran Khan's recent visit to Afghanistan. Pompeo to meet Taliban negotiator in Qatar. US extend Iraq sanctions waiver until before Biden inauguration. At least 3 dead as barrage of rocket fire hits Kabul. Armenia appoints new defense minister after Nagorno-Karabakh ceasefire.